we are, another day, another box. Let's see what we got here. Dual lens solar PTC camera. So this is a very interesting product because this one doesn't require Wi-Fi connection. It can work anywhere, can be installed without any wires. It has two cameras, different views, doesn't need any extra power, no cabling, nothing. So we're gonna go out to a remote location and install it. Take a look inside for a moment. Here are the instructions. We're gonna need an app to make it work, obviously. Here are the different screens. Once it is installed, you will obviously need a clear view so you can get the sun to charge it. The wires, the SD card, all the little tools to install it, and here's the camera itself. So two cameras, one here, antennas, and the mount that goes on the wall. So it looks pretty simple. I've installed others before. We're gonna go out and install it at our favorite ranch here in Miami. Well, here we are in this property south of Miami, and as you can see here, we barely have any cell phone signal, very weak, so the camera will be really good to install here. We're gonna find a place where we can set up the solar panel, and we'll see how it goes. So here we are south of Miami. This is called the Redlands, and we're gonna install the camera up here over that roof, so that way we will have a clear visual of the entrance right there. Obviously there are some lights here already that are lit at night, but this one has another one too, so we'll see how it is. So it's solar energy, built-in battery. It has a voice monitor, full color night vision, 300-degree vision. So let's see how it is. Let's put everything out again. So there you go, there's everything you will need. Let's take these plastic covers out. So let's figure this out. Here are all the parts, a few screws to put it on the wall. Whoops, we lost that. Here is the mounting rack. You can adjust. Let me see how it is. So this mount goes here on the solar panel. There it is. The solar panel, it screws here in the bottom. So it's already there. And you will connect it here with the USB right there. So the mount goes in here in the bottom of the camera, like that. Already attached. And then the solar panel goes in here. There it is. So that's the whole setup. It goes to the wall, and we have an operational system right there. This is an extra wire to charge individually if you need so. Let me keep reading the instructions. So the camera comes with this trial plan, 300 megabytes, good for 30 days. And then you can set up your own for Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile. So this is the card. We're gonna install it in there. There's the instruction to set it up, and then instructions to buy one if you want to. Let's see. Here's the card. We're gonna install it and follow the instructions. So here we are already on the top of the roof. Then we're gonna install the camera right here. So this way, right on the edge of it. So that way it will capture full sunlight, and then well, obviously we have to adjust it to the proper angle so we'll have the good view of the front entrance here. Let me do that. So it's gonna go here. We have this 1x1 in the back, so that will be enough support to work perfectly. So let's do that. We only need the screws for this installation since it's already on wood. So we have this card to record and store everything, all the data there for future reference. This is a slot for a SIM card like in a cell phone, so you will have communications with the phone via the app. So everything is sealed, it's water protected. Here's the switch to power it on and off. So the SIM card goes in here. So let's try to connect. So here it is, installed, full sun, so it should work perfectly. We're gonna wait a little bit to put it to charge and we'll test later. Yeah. So the camera is set up there already. Look into the front of the property. Here's the installation. It was super easy, basically 3 screws on a wall, a solar panel, following the attachment, and this is a fantastic safety device for this property.
So the camera works fine through the app during the day or at night. As you can see, the lights go. There's also some plans with the SIM card and your cell phone carrier that you can get a plan to make it work. Different prices. You have to read the options and make a decision as which one is better for you. But if you just want to use it for monitor and get alerts on your phone, you can use it. So it's definitely a good product. Here it is.